Okay, I just got some fillings, so if I'm like slurring my words a little bit, I promise that's why. But I've been having this problem since I got my new phone. I had an iPhone before, an iPhone XR. Now I have an S22 Ultra. And since I got the Ultra, I literally could not connect it to Bluetooth for audio for my life. Like, I don't understand why. It was connecting for calls, but I don't really call people in my car, and I don't use that feature really. So it was like I just could not listen to music in here, and I was so upset about it. So if you're having that problem, my car is a 2010 Prius. So here's how you fix that if you're in the same situation. I don't know if it was because my phone before was iPhone and this one is Android. I don't think that makes any sense, like how that would work, but I'm just gonna show you how I fixed it. So the whole time I was trying to go to setup and I was trying to get a phone, you know, and like manage phone and do it there, but I guess that's like a Surface setting and it did not work. I entered it in there and like I deleted the old phone and everything and it would still try to pair to my old phone. So I looked in here and I realized that it's like this phone is still in here, you know. This is how it was supposed to be, but this wasn't lighting up before and I was trying to select it but it wouldn't let me, so I backed out and I went into here and I just clicked register. So just click register and then try to pair, because if you try to pair through this, it's not gonna let you connect to audio if it isn't, you know what I mean? That's where your problem's at. So just go straight to where did I go actually? I doubt it was this. Yeah, so okay, so audio and then Bluetooth audio settings and then register, and that's how you pair it. Like really pair it. Okay, hopefully that helps. Hopefully you can get a picture of what to do without me like actually like showing you me doing it, because I mean I'm a visual learner, but hopefully that helps, you know. I just figured, because I was looking it up, I was literally looking on YouTube, I was looking on Google, and I couldn't find anything about it, so I figured I'd just make my video about this so that, you know, somebody could get the information. Anyways, bye.